Hey guys, today I'll be showing you our garage door. Let's see, it's a Rainer Classic. I don't know the model number. Well, let me go to it. It is I don't see. So is this who installed it? I can't find it anywhere. Back door, I'm gonna actually latch that. Hold on. Just gonna latch that. Hold on. Here we go. So this garage is kind of a mess. So yeah, kind of a lot of stuff. I have 4 siblings, so yeah. Anyway, let's get to it. There's the wall panel. Just there. The don't know the model number. It's the Chamberlain equivalent to the 78 LM. Oh, it's way out of focus. Okay. Anyway, light, lock. Hold on. Wait. I have a tab. I don't hold my tab when it's hard to hold, and I'm using my tab when it's hard, and it's hard to hold in one hand. So. Alright, and then push button, obviously. There we go. Oh, the glare. Ooh. Focus camera. Focus camera. Ugh, won't focus. Ugh, it won't focus. But yeah, sorry about the lighting. Put her up there. And back down. Run it up again. Sorry about my starting over speed problem. I'm going to go outside. He's actually over some stuff. Oh god. This lighting. God, this lighting. Oh jeez, this lighting sucks. Shut up the lighting, guys. I can't even change it on the video. Darn it. Oh. Come on, Fraser. Where is he? Wait, why is he even showing the leaves? Ugh. Sorry, I'm trying to focus on my cat. Hey, Fraser, get out of the garage, please. Out of the garage, kitty. Okay, you can kind of see him. The lighting sucks. There he is. That's Fraser. I'm taking you guys outside now. Try to anyway with this horrible, horrible lighting. Stay in there, okay, Fraser? Fraser, don't go to the door, okay, boy? Fraser, come here. Come on. Oh, sorry, technical difficulties. My cat has a tendency to get in the garage. Away from the door, kitty. Don't freaking shut it. Fraser, get away from the door, man. Oh, whatever. Anyway. Focus. Oh cool, I can focus it. Oh cool, I can focus it. I just found this out. Its tablet's kind of new. I never knew I could focus it. I zoomed in. No, I'm not. Yeah, I just figured out I can focus this. Cool. Let's see, there's the keypad. Fraser, go inside. Ugh, he wants me to pet him. Sorry, I'm already at 5 minutes? Dang. Alright, anyway. I don't remember video one. Anyway, It does have one more. It does have one switch close. Here's the garage door, and here we go. That's my sister. Naomi, say hi. Hey, Mom. I got her on video, okay? I got her on video, okay? Alright, put the code in quick. I'll show you it. Did I scare you, Naomi?
Yeah.
Stay out, Naomi. Out of the garage. Out of the garage, Naomi. I'm going to close it, okay? Out of the garage, Naomi. I'm going to close it, okay? It's 6.5 minutes. Dang. Hold the camera quick. I got the remote out of the car. I'm gonna have the remote out of the car. I'm gonna have the remote out of the car. I'm gonna have the remote out of the car. Try to block it's my fingers off the camera. So I'm not showing the license plates. So locked. Yes, it is. Here we are. Here's the remote. Here's the remote. Here's the remote. Slow the camera. Here's the remote. Sorry. There's a remote right there. This one does the light. This one doesn't hold anything. This one does the door. There we go. Oh, that was a close one. Just I showed you my address there. Not a good idea. I'm gonna get the whole door in view without showing the address. I did not know I could do that. Anyway, here we go. It's 1/2 horsepower. Here, I'll show you the model tag and stuff. Focus camera. 1 second. Gotta fuse on my leg. On my leg. Still doesn't want to focus. It's supposed to be made in December of, or not December, October of 2012. I'll show you the button that does a light. It doesn't want to work half the time, so there we go. Go back outside now. Focus in the center. Oh, sorry. It's really windy today. Did not plan for that. Oh crap. Okay, can't even tell what that is, so thankfully. So a couple more motorcycles. It doesn't want to focus for some reason. Let me put my I'll close it one more time with the keypad. I'll use this to go back up. Actually, I'm gonna do this, put it back in the car, and go back inside and close the door, and then I'll be done. Anyway, here we go. So I gotta start with the camera again. I gotta put it in the put the remote back in the car. Remote back in the car. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I probably shouldn't say that. Oh, excuse me. Ugh. Alright, back inside. Over till I get past the address. But I don't want to show off our address. So, back in. Alright, back in. So back down, that'll be it. About a minute. And that's it. This is my first video ever. I will see you guys later. Comment, subscribe, and rate. See you guys later.